Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And right now we're standing outside of two brand new Mazda CX-50s. Right over here we got the preferred trim. Now I'm going to show you what you're gaining when you go up to the premium trim right here. So at the end of this video, I want to know from you guys, is it worth going from A to B for those standard features and functions? All right, so let's get going. All right, so here we are on the outside of the both vehicles. Once again, this is the preferred trim. Then we're jumping up to that premium. I do want to let you guys know that right up here, the crossbars are not standard in all premium trims. You guys can get those added as an accessory from the manufacturer or from the dealership, okay? So just want to point that out there quick for you guys. Now, there are going to be a couple little things you're going to be noticing the difference on the exterior. Let's talk about those two details here quick. Right up there, we have a one-touch power moonroof. And then we're also gaining the shark fin antenna. That's important to know because this is where you're going to get that satellite radio, okay? You do get 3 months of that complimentary. After that, you have to continue that paid subscription by contacting them to continue that, all right? Now, as we go on the inside of the vehicle, we're going to have a Bose sound system. And then, as we get in here, pretty much identical interior, but hidden right underneath is going to be a place for your wireless phone charger. All right, so are those 4 to 5 features worth going from that preferred to this premium? Let us know down below in the comments, guys. Talk to you then.